Alright, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Monoprice Delta Mini, and let's see what's in the box. It looks pretty straightforward so far. Let's put the knife away, it's dangerous. I like how they give you enough space for your thumbs to get in here. Get this out. Sometimes it's hard to do that. And looks like I'm unboxing it backwards, but that's interesting. Hopefully I won't break the printer when I turn this. Alright. And ta-da! There it is. It looks like it does not come with, maybe it does, I don't know. It looks like it doesn't come with filament. Looks pretty straightforward, the usual, to stop it from getting moisture in there. It looks pretty sturdy. As they say, this is the only plastic part in the whole thing. I'm trying to get the other part of the box out here. See if there's anything else in there. Oh yeah, it says, stop, read this before your printer is unpacking. Whoops. Well, if you open it the wrong way, you'll never see that, like, ever. So, I guess I should have opened it the right way. This thing here is for the spools, so that it goes on the side of the machine somewhere. I don't know on which side. Oh yeah, it goes on this side of the machine here. And it's supposed to hold your spools. I'm sure I don't know how to do this. There we go. Okay. In here, I'm guessing this is the power supply. Very minimalistic. Oh, it looks like it comes with a bunch of spare parts. That's nice. I like that. Always like having spare parts. Spatula there. Key card and some wrenches to adjust the machine, I would imagine. A USB cable. And then an extra connector there for the Bowden tube. Alright, cool. Well, so far so good. I should have some old filament to try it out with, so we'll unpack it in the next video and try some prints. But anyway, this is what you get in the box. I hope this is useful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.